What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. So I've got a cool project for us today. We've got the AJT Design 5th Gen TRD 4Runner Pro key upgrade. And so it does say TRD on the back. I believe they're getting rid of this due to trademark issues. But with that being said, we're going to upgrade this key. So it's a pretty simple process. You just got to pretty much mangle this key to get all the inner parts out. And we're going to go ahead and do that now. Thanks for watching. All right, so our first step is to take our flathead screwdriver and pop open the key right here. Just give it a little twist, and it is that easy. And the back's gonna come off. You're gonna wanna save this piece because it's got some important information. Just put it in a drawer in your 4Runner. All right, so we want to take out the button controller, and our next project is gonna be to get this little chip out. Now it is super glued in, some are harder than others, but we're gonna take our razor blade, and this one's pretty cheap. I may end up having to upgrade it, but we're gonna start digging away at this chip to release the glue. And I'm gonna keep going with that and take some shots along the way. This should be a 10 to 45 minute process. You guys are smart people, you own 4Runners. So I'm not gonna show you every single step of this process, but keep picking away at this. I mean, you just want to create lines, cut it up, keep running along the edges. You're really not gonna hurt it. So many people have done this and only a couple people have failed and actually damaged the transmitter. So let's keep going. So what I'm gonna actually start by doing is breaking, and it's gonna feel weird, but just breaking this key because we're not gonna use this any longer. All right, guys, here's where I am so far. You can see all these little shards where I've just been kind of scraping at the sides, using the pliers to kind of pull. So the latest thing I did was just broke off this little piece here from this edge, and I'm gonna keep going with it. All right, so here we are. I think it's about ready to come out. Took me all of, I don't know, 8 minutes. All right, let's get you set back up stable. Now that we have the chip out, we need to get this key out. And in order to do so, you're gonna take your utility knife, get out a good portion of blade, and you're going to put the knife right in line with the metal of the key and try to dig into this plastic. So make sure you don't cut yourself. I'm probably gonna speed this up, but I'm really gonna dig into this dude. There it is. All right, guys, so now that you have your transponder out as well as your key, you're gonna wanna insert those in. This doesn't have to be completely flush. I hope you can see that because it's recessed right here to be able to fit it in. So the next step is gonna be to insert your buttons. You are gonna have an extra button for the option of not using your key. So there is a little plug. I think I left it in here. So you just don't have to use that. It'll be pretty clear to you which buttons go where. So let's just quickly put these in. There we go. Now you're gonna take this and put it clear side down. Take your top half, put it on, flip it over. Now we've got 4 little screws that I'm gonna get lined up, and we're just gonna tighten these down real quick. There you have it, the AJT Design TRD key. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you ordered one, highly recommend you guys keep this, your extra parts just in your glove box or something. I doubt you'll need them, but it never hurts to keep the back plate here that has your serial number and stuff on it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. There's a link in the description to buy this.
Yeah, you're perfect.
Yep.